Hong Kong, but also the mainland. These are leading centers for new developments, new technology, and so on. And you have to be there. It's not enough to have a video call and then talk to the people, but you want to see it with your own eyes. And the Asian Financial Forum is the first place you go and you talk to the people.
Thank you for Hong Kong Trade Development Council. You provide very good facility of Zoom meeting that I can share my information and my project with a likewise iBanker who are based in London.
Hong Kong, it's the gateway into mainland China. I think that's the biggest thing that's going for Hong Kong.
Hong Kong always has been that global financial center. Very strong core markets like investment banking, the IPO markets and so on, a very mature fintech ecosystem. But of course, also Hong Kong needs to further develop. And one of the opportunities, but also a little bit a challenge, of course, is the Greater Bay Area. Hong Kong has to find its place in the Greater Bay Area. I'm very happy and delighted to be back here in person at the AFF. We have experienced the AFF hold virtually the last 2 years, but it's a totally different experience if you're here in person and you can interact with the people and also see that Hong Kong is open for business again now.
I'm the Executive Director of RCR Infrastructure, which is part of Stonewood Group, the major developer in New Zealand. And we are one of the major EPC in New Zealand, and now we are moving into sustainability and green energy. My background as a chartered accountant, also a leader of a profit-making organization, we definitely have a challenge. Most of the environmental project, the return is low. And AFF is a good platform to work with the banking sector and the investor sector to lower the requirement. And my general takeaway on the AFF is very well organized, and HKTDC, especially the Sydney office, doing a fantastic job to organize the trade mission to come and visit AFF.
We're launching a new venture capital fund, so I came up to meet some investors in Hong Kong and establish relationships with investors here. And it seemed like a great opportunity given the gathering of people and with Hong Kong opening up. Our fund is an impact fund, so we're looking for investors who were also looking to make investments that are in that space in businesses that are going to make a difference in the world. One investor in particular, there was a match around that, so that was really, really helpful. I had a couple of really good meetings. What I liked about the process is that people are coming with the expectation to have a 25 to half an hour or 30-minute meeting to do a deal. And the team here make the process really, really easy. Even if you're a little bit late, they make sure they follow you up and keep to the schedule. China is such a huge market and Hong Kong plays such a critical role in that the Western world to have access to the Chinese market.